Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss a very important topic is nursing entrance exam MCQ's part first. The following is considered a vital sign in nursing. Correct option is D, all of the above. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Correct option is A, cerebellum. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Which of the following is the primary function of red blood cells? Correct option is B, carrying oxygen. The process by which green plants make their food is called correct option is C, photosynthesis. Which of the following is considered a vital sign in nursing? Correct option is D, all of the above. Which of the following is an example of a sterile technique in nursing? Correct option is C, dressing a wound. A nurse is assessing a patient's pulse. The usual rate for an adult is typically correct option is B, 60 to 100 BPM, beats per minute. Identify the antonym of optimistic. Correct option is B, pessimistic. The SI unit of force is correct option is B, Newton. Which of the following is not a form of energy? Correct option is D, temperature. Which law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction? Correct option is C, Newton's third law. If 5x plus 2 is equal to 12, what is the value of x? Correct option is A, 2. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of the rectangle with length 5 cm and width 3 cm. Correct option is C, 16 cm. What is the pH of a neutral solution? Correct option is B, 7. Which number logically follows this series 2, 4, 8 and 16? Correct option is A, 32. If all roses are flowers and all flowers are plants, then Correct option is A. All roses are plants. What does the term biodiversity refer to? Correct option is A. The variety of living organism. Which of the following is a major component of air? Correct option is B. Nitrogen. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? Correct option is B. 100 degrees centigrade. Which of the following is an example of a renewable resources? Correct option is C. Wind. Which element is the most abundant in the earth crust? Correct option is A. Oxygen. Which of the following is in operating system? Correct option is B. Android. The first computer programmer is correct option is A. Ada Lovelace. Which of the following is a type of computer memory? Correct option is A. RAM. What does CPU stand for? Correct option is A. Central Processing Unit. Which of the following is an input device? Correct option is C. Keyboard. Solve 3x minus 5 is equal to 16. What is the x? Correct option is A. 7. Which of the following is correct formula for the methane? Correct option is B. CH4. Thank you for watching my videos.